Well, today we continue with the theme of a multi-part mould, but this time we're going to have 7 pieces and we're going to try to attempt to cast a die. We'll have to see how that goes. So let's assemble it and see what happens. So it goes together a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. Everything's keyed individually, so only the right bits can go into the right areas. Whether or not it holds together after we've clamped it and whether or not it's liquid tight is a different matter. There we go. Now all I have to do is clamp that bit together. Oh, I see a little bit of attempt to sneak out. Yep. Well, I found out why it's leaking. You're not going to see it, but there's I've sanded a bit of a chamfer by mistake when I was removing the raft from this, and it's a tiny little hole, but what we've got is a nifty little product that'll let us repair that instead of needing to reprint it. So I just need to patch this bit along here. Probably best use gloves, but I can just patch that bit up like that and hit it with the UV torch. And this is the same resin that the actual model is printed from. So we're going to get a nice seal, hopefully, if my sanding gets any better. So I still have to sand that back down. Okay, let's see if my patch job holds up. I'm going to pour around 250 again, full basin. See if I've plugged my leak. I've plugged my leak. And here's a couple of die. Come in, spinner.